Trying to set the camera up there so you can kind of see what I'm doing. I don't have any help right now, so I'm doing work, video, cameraman. Do it yourself. But an entrepreneur like so, I'm gonna kind of square. Got a couple of studs here, stud right here, stud right here. I need 14 inches for my box. I think these are spaced about a foot. Too close, so I'm gonna have to cut into one of the studs. Preferably this one on the, I might do this one on the left here to keep the one on the right. Just to get some offset spacing from the wall for my panel box. So this looks like the one that's going to get knocked out. I might have to cut this out a little bit more and give me some working room. So, maybe I'll mark this another few inches. About 6 more. Probably should do a whole foot, but I need to get over to the next stud. And if I do, I'll just knock it out later. But right now I need working room, so I need to be able to cut the section out that I'm not going to, this part of this board out that I'm not going to use, and I'm probably going to have to frame that, will reinforce it, which means I'll be cutting this a little bit lower. So that means, since I got to reinforce this with a stud, you come down a couple more inches. I can always pull this in with drywall, which is what I'm going to do. Now I'll come down across where I cut out a bit more where I originally measured. There, sort of. Get a little bit straighter. About that. And I'll go ahead and chip that out. Part2. Try to smoke it off. That'll work. Well, it might be in good shape. I think I got a couple of studs here, so I may be able to sacrifice this without it costing me anything. Spacing. I need 14 inches. I'll mount the box on this stud right here on this side. Oh yeah. I love it when a plan comes together. I need a cigar. I don't know what you're doing, man. Amused while I'm here.